In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send money via Remitly. To get started, the first thing you'll need to do is open your Remitly account. Make sure you're logged in and on the main screen so you can clearly see the available options. If you're using the app or website for the first time, take a moment to look around and get familiar with the layout, because this will make the process much easier to follow. Once you're inside your account, look at the country shown at the top of the screen. This is an important step because you need to make sure the recipient's country is selected correctly before sending any money. Tap or click that country option, and then choose the country where your recipient will be receiving the transfer. Selecting the correct destination country helps Remitly show you the right delivery and payment options for that location. After that, go ahead and click Send Money. This will take you into the transfer setup process. At this stage, if your recipient's contact information has already been saved in your account, you can simply select their contact from the list. This is the quickest option, and it helps avoid re-entering details you've already used before. If the person is not already saved as a contact, click New Contact. Then select their country to make sure the contact is being created for the correct destination. This step is especially important because transfer methods can vary depending on the country you choose. Next, select the delivery method. This refers to how the money will reach your recipient, such as through a bank account or another available option shown on your screen. After choosing the delivery method, select the payment method you want to use for the transfer. Depending on what Remitly supports in your region, this could include different ways to pay, so choose the one that works best for you. Once those choices are made, click Continue. You'll then be asked to enter the recipient's account details. Be careful here and make sure every detail is entered accurately, since even a small mistake can delay the transfer or send the money to the wrong place. After entering the required information, simply follow the prompts on your screen to complete the transaction. Before confirming, it's always a good idea to quickly review everything, including the country, recipient details, delivery method, and payment method. That extra check can save you time and prevent errors, and that's how to send money via Remitly.